Hello everyone, welcome to Cristian Bakes, and today we're baking a red velvet cake, yeah, just for the family tonight, and yeah, we're gonna start right now with Cristian Bakes, red velvet cake. It's in a box, not homemade, so we're just doing it from the box this time, and let's start. A cookie. See this cookie right here? We're gonna try it. Is you dunking milk in here? We're dunking milk. Let's go. Good. It's gooey. It's warm. It's delicious. This from a box with homemade vanilla frosting. I want to see how this tastes. So a box and homemade vanilla frosting. Let's do it by test. The cake is good from the box, but the frosting is super sweet. But it's good though.